Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to see all installed apps on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Now, to see all installed apps on Firestick, you need to come over to the App Store. So click on the App Store and that will launch it. From there, you want to navigate to App Library. If you give it a couple of seconds to load, you start seeing apps under different categories. Like the featured category, you have the games category. It also show you compact all categories at the end here. So right here you can see all categories: customization, health, fitness, medical, and the rest. Here you find the games. Here you just find featured apps, and here is the app library. Now under the app library, if you click on app library, we're not using the search bar because we don't want to search for anything specific. We're not looking for a specific app. If we were, we use the search bar and just search for the application. However, we're looking for apps which have been installed on this device. So just come over to app library. Then you're going to, my connection is not as good, but it's supposed to show here. Alternatively, you could just come back one step, just go back to the home page. And so if that does not work, just like it has not worked for me and you do not see the app library, just come where you find apps, my apps. So your apps and games, these are all the apps I've installed on this device right here. This is a shortcut to the same place we were just recently, where you see apps library. That's supposed to show you a library of everything installed in the device, and then you see another list just beside it of things you could also install. But every app you're looking for on the device which is installed, you're going to find those apps here. So if you have installed the app, just go through this list. These are your apps and games. All of them will be sorted here. So that's it for this one. If you found that useful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.